Alright guys, so I'm going to try this video again. For some reason it just did not work the first time, so here I'm going to start over from scratch. So, your first packet page on your packet is dealing with compound shapes, and these are actually kind of fun to do. You're taking on this page, basically you're taking three shapes and combine them together in some fashion. So, like, if you're looking at number one, you got two triangles and you got half of a circle. Um, and and from here, so you need to remember just some basic things about triangles and circles and rectangles. You know how to find the area. So, here's some things to keep in mind. You know, if you want to find a circle's area, it's pi r squared. If you want to find a triangle's area, it's a equals 1/2 base times height. And rectangles is base times height. So so here's the first figure right here is not this number one here. So something to take into account here. Your two triangles, the height on both of them are 19. Now this right here is telling you that the radius is 9. So that means that this length is 9 and this length is 9. Is what that tells you. So when working this out, you can look at it like this right here. Excuse me. You can look at it as like two triangles, base of 9 and 9, height of 19 and 19. Hang on, my computer's being weird with me here. Okay, come on. All right. Okay, so and then you have a semicircle with a radius of 9. So what we do here is we take the area of a circle formula. This would tell me the area of an entire circle, but I only have half of a circle. So in other words, take this, divide it by 2, you got the area of a semicircle. So if you take 9 times 19, that's that, then times 1/2. Okay. So one of these triangles is 85.5. And that's going to be 85.5 as well. So you got two of those triangles. So if you take that times 2, you're going to get 171. So your area of your triangle, of both triangles, is going to be 171 inches squared. Because that base times height, times 1/2, base times height times 1/2. Those two areas added together, boom, there you are. The area of your semicircle. So I'm going to say pi times 9 squared divided by 2. So that's going to be 81 pi divided by 2. So let's see here. 81 times pi divided by 2. Okay, so the area of this semicircle. Okay, so now what do we do here? Area semicircle is 127.23 inches squared. So for this whole figure right here, take this and this, add them together. So that plus 171, and you get 298 point. I think it said round to the nearest 1/10, if I'm not mistaken, so 2 inches squared. Make sure you put inches squared, feet squared, whatever the unit is, squared at the end on it. So that's the gist of how you handle these. So like each one of my number 2, for instance, my battery's trying to die on my phone here, so I got to be kind of quick. So with this one, you could look at it as like if you drew a dotted line down like right here, you would be looking at a 16 by 16, so that'd be a little square. And then you'd be looking at an 18 by 19 rectangle. So the 18 by 19 rectangle, 18 times 19, that gives the area of that rectangle. 16 times 16 gives the area of that little square. Add those together and you have the whole length, area. And that's kind of how it just follows for the rest of these. If you still have trouble with these or one of them, and you toyed around with it, and you're not getting it, shoot me an email. And if you will, take a picture of what you've tried, and I can probably work through some of it with you, and shoot an email back to you. Okay, so hope this helps to get started. Happy studying, and hope y'all are all doing well. See you later. Bye-bye.